Well, hello my YouTube friends. I hope you guys are doing well. I have a little unboxing for you guys today. This is a fun one. But first, I want to show you guys the Christmas tree that my beautiful daughters have set up for this season. This is a fun one, you guys. Okay, so this is an unboxing of a pair of shoes that I used to own that were ridiculously tight on me, and I sold them and then regretted selling them, but I have found them again, and these are just so beautiful. So there is a minor difference. These are a 100 millimeter heel, and the ones that I used to own were 120, but I'll show you guys in a minute what they look like on. And the difference is actually not that bad. I just love the color combination on these, the fluorescence, the neon, the pink. I love that holographic look. Just such a beautiful shoe. And sizing wise, you guys know that I'm 38.5, and I had these in a 38, and I honestly could barely hold my foot on just for a picture. Let alone stand or walk in them. So again, I made the choice to just not keep them as sculptures, and I decided to sell them. And I am so happy, you guys. I have found them again, and I'm okay to have had got them in the 100 millimeter heel. And these are a size 39, and they fit perfect. So again, I always tell you guys, I would rather a shoe be a little loose than ridiculously tight. So again, this is a re-unboxing. So this is what they look like on, and the fit just feels amazing. It's again a very beautiful shoe. The color combination is just so amazing. Now let me show you guys the 120. So this is the 120 millimeter heel that I sold. And you guys can see that, I mean, it really truly is not a huge difference in this particular style. It is still a very well sculpted heel. And I think it looks great. So anyway, that's it, guys. Just a short little video showing you guys a little unboxing. And I'll leave you with the image of the oldies but goodies. Bye, guys.